Hey, what's up guys? It's your favorite crypto geek here, ready to dive into the wonderful world of crypto again. Today, we'll be talking about something that many of you might be wondering about. Should you trade or hold onto your crypto? It's an age-old debate that's been around since the early days of Bitcoin. Some people prefer to buy and hold, while others like to trade and take advantage of the volatility. So, let's jump right into it and see which approach is better. But before that, if you're new here, we'd like to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new content about the world of cryptocurrency. We've got a lot of exciting videos planned in the coming weeks and months, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. To how-to guides and in-depth analysis, we're committed to bringing you the best content out there. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you even more great content in the future. So, without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Let's start with the classic HODL approach. The idea is simple: buy a certain amount of crypto and hold on to it for the long term. This strategy is perfect for people who believe in the potential of a certain cryptocurrency and are willing to wait for it to appreciate in value. The HODL strategy is great because it's very low maintenance. You can sit back and relax while your investment grows, without worrying about day-to-day fluctuations. However, there are some downsides to this approach. First and foremost, the market can be incredibly volatile, and prices can drop significantly in a matter of hours. If you're not prepared to weather the storm, holding could result in significant losses. Moreover, the value of crypto is largely influenced by external factors, such as regulatory changes and market sentiments, which are not within your control. Now, let's move on to the other side of the coin, trading. Trading cryptocurrency involves buying and selling different coins and tokens to make a profit. This approach is perfect for people who enjoy the thrill of trading and are looking to make a quick profit. Trading is an active approach that requires constant attention, monitoring, and research. One of the main advantages of trading is that you can take advantage of market volatility. You can buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low, to make a profit. Additionally, you have more control over your investments, since you can decide when to buy and sell, and how much to invest. However, trading also comes with its own set of risks. For example, the market can be very unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's not uncommon to experience significant losses if you're not careful. Additionally, trading can be time-consuming and stressful, which is not for everyone. So, which approach is better, trading or holding? The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The approach you choose depends on your personal preferences, goals, and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a long-term investment that requires very little work, then holding might be the way to go. However, if you're comfortable with the risks and want to actively manage your investments, then trading could be the way to go. In the end, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a highly speculative and volatile market, and there are no guarantees when it comes to making profits. But, by staying informed and making smart decisions, you can make the most out of your investment. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a thing or two about trading versus holding cryptocurrency. So, which approach do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And, as always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Stay tuned for more awesome crypto content coming your way. Until next time, peace out.